Industry-relevant curriculum. ITTopper Institute offers a well-structured and updated curriculum that covers all the essential aspects of software testing, including manual testing, automation testing, performance testing, and more. The courses are designed in a way that students gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience, making them job-ready for the real-world IT industry. Experienced trainers. The institute boasts experienced trainers who have worked in top tech companies and possess real-time industry experience. These trainers bring practical knowledge and insights into the classes, helping students understand the core concepts and current trends in software testing. Live projects and hands-on experience. One of the standout features of ITTopper is the opportunity for students to work on live projects. This gives them practical exposure to real-world scenarios and allows them to apply what they have learned in class to actual projects. Working on live projects enhances their problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Personalized attention. ITTopper Institute ensures small batch sizes, allowing for more personalized attention to each student. This helps in clearing doubts and better understanding of the concepts, as compared to larger classes where individual attention might be limited. Placement assistance. ITTopper Institute provides excellent placement support to its students. They have strong ties with leading IT companies and provide job placement assistance, resume building, and interview preparation. Many students secure good job offers after completing their software testing course from this institute. Affordable fees. Compared to other institutes, ITTopper offers competitive and affordable fees for its software testing course, making it accessible to a wide range of students. This is especially beneficial for freshers or working professionals who want to switch to the software testing domain. Certification. Upon successful completion of the course, students receive a certification from ITTopper Institute. This certification helps students stand out in the job market and increases their chances of getting hired by top IT companies. Flexible timings. ITTopper provides flexible timing options for students, including weekend batches and online classes, which is ideal for working professionals or students who are unable to attend regular classes. Students get hands-on experience with these tools, which are in high demand in the industry. What makes ITTopper unique? Comprehensive training. ITTopper offers a holistic training program covering both manual and automation testing, with a focus on practical skills and real-time projects and other tools. Affordable and flexible. We offer flexible payment options and fee structures, making it affordable for all types of students. Fee details. Monthly basis. Our software testing course fees. For the first time, any IT institute is going to launch batches with a monthly fee structure. This makes us unique. Our monthly fee for the software testing course is very affordable and it depends on the type of course and batch selected. So, join ITTopper and build your career now, because this opportunity will never come back again. So visit our website for more details, ittopper.com. Follow us on social media, on Facebook, ITTopper, on Instagram, ITTopper_institute, on YouTube, ITTopper, or call us at 99379111583. The batch starts this week only. Thank you.